Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, and I'm back again with another useful video where I will be sharing one easy method to share files from your mobile device to your laptop and from your laptop to your mobile device. So there is going to be an easy method using which you need not connect your devices to any USB cable, and you can share it without doing that. Alright, so let's start the video and see how you can share files from your mobile to your laptop without any USB. Alright, so let's start the process. What you need to do is, on your mobile device you have to open a browser, and then you simply need to search for snapdrop. Alright, then you have to go to the first link that says snapdrop.net, and same on your laptop or your PC, you just need to open a browser, search for snapdrop and simply go to the first link, that is snapdrop.net. So once you do that, once you will open this link on both your devices, you will see that the icons are appearing in the other device. For example, if you will see in your laptop, you will see your mobile icon, and if you will see on your mobile screen, you will see the laptop's icon. Alright, so it means that if you want to share a file from your mobile to your laptop, what you need to do is you simply have to tap on your mobile, and in case if you want to share file from your laptop to your smartphone, you need to click on this phone's icon that is given on your laptop's screen. So that's how easy it is. So right now I'm going to share one of my files from my smartphone to my laptop. Alright, so for that, simply tap on the Windows Chrome icon. You will get three options. One is camera, cam recorder and files. So you can even record anything on the spot and you can share it, or you can send any file, whether it is an audio, an image, and a video or a PDF file. You can share any file using this method. Alright, simply tap on files, and you need not worry about the size of the file as well, because I also tried sharing one 500 MB approx file and it was a matter of like 2 minutes. Alright, so it depends on the size of the file, how long will it take to transfer. So right now I'm going to share this file. So as you can see, this particular video is of 466 MB, so that's a bit huge. I'm going to share it, and as soon as I will tap on the video, you will see that the sharing has started. You will see a blue color at the top of the icon, and that will increase as the process will complete. Alright, the circle will complete, and that means the transfer is completed. So as you can see, this is increasing the blue color that you can see just above the icon. When the circle will get complete, your transfer is complete, and you can easily check that file on your laptop or PC, whatever method you have selected. Once the file has been completely transferred to your laptop, you will see this message right here that says file received and the file name and the size, and then you can save it on your device to which you have transferred it. So simply click on save, and as you can see, the video started downloading, and it got already downloaded, but this will save the file on your device. So that's all you need to do to share any of your files from your smartphone to your PC without using any USB. And you can even use this method to share your files from your laptop to your smartphone. So that was it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. If you have any issues, doubts or queries related to any of my videos, do let me know in the comment section down below. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.